Hey, it's Sean again, and it's actually 2:14 in the morning on 9/12. I'm usually not up this late, but I went out visiting some friends tonight. I came home. I took a look at the market, and uh, it really looks like there's a lot of opportunity if if things go the way I plan. And I love the way the market's set up now because if it doesn't reverse and I get a breakout in the direction I'm looking for, it'll just keep going down and I won't lose. So I'm not actually in positions. All my trades that I had on were stopped out with a profit. So I actually made a pretty good profit the last few days. But everything that I was looking at reversed. The Japanese yen got strong. The U.S. dollar got weak. And so we got the big profit early, and then, it all reversed. But the fundamentals still say the yen is strong, the dollar's strong, and even the Swiss franc is strong now. So we'll see. I put on a lot of the 4 hour trend on all of the. I'm with the 4 hour trend on all of the open orders that I have in now. So uh, and I always verify the 4 hour with the 6 hour, the 8 hour, the 12 hour, the one day, and even the week. So I'm all of these open orders that I just put in just a little while ago are all in the direction of the trend. I'm just going to run through them here real quick uh, to so I can remind you. I am currently, well, actually I just got filled on another order that I had. So right now I'm short the U.S. dollar, Swiss franc, and I'm short the euro Canadian dollar. Both both technical plays uh, in the direction of the trend, and so we'll see how those work out. I had those open orders in for a while. So I am short the US dollar against the Swiss franc, which means I'm long the Swiss franc. Uh, I am short the euro against the Canadian dollar, which means I'm long the Canadian dollar against the euro. So they're in the direction of the trend. So we'll see how they pan out. The orders that I'm excited about, though, because I really expect the yen to weaken, and so I have open orders to short the dollar against the Canadian dollar, the U.S. dollar against the Canadian dollar. That that's a pure technical play. That is, it's in the direction of the 4 hour trend, but the dollar is strong against the Canadian, so that'll be a short term play if we hit it. It's almost like fundamentally it's not a sound trade, but technically it looks real good. These are the ones that I'm excited about. U.S. dollar, Japanese yen, long the dollar. Great British pound, Japanese yen, long the yen. Uh, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, long the franc. Uh, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, trying to go long the Canadian dollar. Again, strict technical play. And also, we're trying to get long the Aussie dollar against the U.S. dollar. Again, that's 100% technical because fundamentally the dollar is way stronger than the Aussie dollar. So we have a few technical trades in there, but we have a bunch of fundamentally sound trades, which would be the trying to get long the dollar and the yen and the franc against the dollar, the pound, and the franc against the yen. So I'm excited about that. They're all open orders to reverse on the 4 hour chart. So if you look back if you happen to be looking at this and you look back, just look at the 4 hour chart for September 12th at 2:19 in the morning Eastern time. So you got to adjust it for your own clock. So what I like about the setup that we have here is they're all pure technical plays. We have a big day of economic news. Some stuff coming out of Great Britain at about 5 a.m. I think it is. The eurozone has some stuff going on. I think Draghi's going to talk or something like that. And, of course, tomorrow is the all important unemployment claims, which have been really big lately for the U.S. dollar. So I like the fact, I actually like the fact I'm not in many trades right now. And the only way I'm going to really end up in the trades is if things go my way. So I'm excited about the possibility. So it's either going to be a big day today or it's going to be a nothing day. So we'll see how it goes. Again, I probably won't be making too many videos at 2:20 in the morning, but I was gonna type all this stuff into my blog, and of course this video will be on my blog. You can see my blog right down below. Um, but it was easier to make a video. I can talk a lot faster than I can type. So have a good night. I'm going to sleep.